My name is Mike Thomas. I'm Second Vice President for Aflac in Columbus, Georgia. Aflac is the #1 supplemental insurance provider in the country. We provide insurance that covers the gaps not covered by major medical. Our challenge was we were looking to improve operational efficiency. Our inability to print in color resulted in us having multiple pre-printed forms. Without the IntelliJet printing system, we would not have been able to make the improvements to our correspondence that we've made to date. With the IntelliJet printing system, we've been able to take that correspondence and turn it into a more engaging piece for our customers. What the IntelliJet 20 printing system has allowed us to do is streamline that process and print everything from a roll. So rather than having 35 inventoried items where we had to insert individual pre-printed shells for different jobs, we now put a roll on, run the work, finish it, go to the inserters and out the door. The IntelliJet 20 offers great quality and great speed, very efficient operation, very easy to use interface, and there was a very low training curve. The most exciting thing to me about the IntelliJet 20 solution is just the power of our correspondence now. We're really able to communicate the message that we intend to communicate with our customers. The IntelliJet has really changed the game for us because now we're able to capitalize on white space on existing correspondence, where before we left that space just blank. Now we can take that and really add messaging, promote corporate initiatives, really speak to the customer, and we found extreme value in that. The IntelliJet solution has really helped us transform from more of an archaic black and white transactional communication to a more modern communication that is really designed around the customer experience and engaging with our customers. We feel like the IntelliJet really helps us communicate the message intended, and we see better response rates. The 3 words I would use to describe our experience are quality, value, and partnership. We chose the IntelliJet 20 printing system initially because of the quality. We chose it again because of the great service. I do believe that the transformation allowed by the IntelliJet 20 solution is going to change the industry. If you're printing in black and white, you're going to be left behind.